Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good and preparing very hard for your midterm examinations. So today in this video we are going to talk about the facts of midterm or the half yearly examination. Okay, so let's start. This time the marks division in the midterm or the half yearly examination will be like as I am showing you on the screen. Please have a look. See, marks division for the main subjects in the half yearly or the midterm examination. First comes class 3 to 8. For class 3 to 8, 40 marks they have to attempt in the object as the objective in the Google form and 40 marks as a subjective in their answer script. Next, class 9 and 10. In class 9 and 10 they have to attempt 20 marks as objective in the Google form and 30 marks as subjective in the answer sheet. Okay, and at last comes class 11 and 12. For class 11 and 12, 20 marks objective they have to attempt through the Google form and 50 marks subjective they had to attempt in the answer sheet. Although both the questions will be given in the Google form, children. So when you will get the link when you will open the Google form, you will see that the objective questions and the subjective questions both are given in the Google form. So children, what you have to do, you have to first attempt the objective question answers in the Google form, and after that what you have to do, you have to write those subjective questions in any of your rough copy, and after copying it you have to submit the Google form. After submitting the Google form, you have to see the questions from your rough copy and write those answers in your answer script. Okay children, on the day of examination, children, you will get a link like this. You can see here on the screen. You will get a link like this. So what you have to do, you have to make a click on the link. The link is clicked and see the Google form is opening. Here you have to enter your name first. I am entering my name. It's UBHABRATA BRAMANIK. Okay, next you have to enter your roll number. Suppose I am entering my roll number 24. Then you have to select your class 3 and then your section. You have to select your section to D, and then you have to answer all the questions whatever is given over here. Okay, the objective questions are there. So first you have to answer all the objective questions like I am answering. See, have a look. Okay children, we have done the answer, and after that what you have to do, the subjective questions are there. You can see here the subjective questions are given at below. So what you have to do, you have to copy these subjective questions in any of your rough copy. Okay, you have to copy these subjective questions in any of your rough copy, and then after writing those subjective questions in your rough copy, you have to press this submit button. After pressing this submit button, your answer is submitted, that is your objective answer is submitted. Now after that you have to write all the question answers in your answer script, okay, by seeing the questions whatever you have copied in your rough copy. Clear children, on the day of examination, while writing in your answer script, you must not forget that you have to mention your name, your class, your roll number, your section, the date of the examination, the subject, as well as the page number. Okay, these things you must mention on each and every page of your answer script. Now children, how to send your answer script in PDF form to your class teacher? Please have a look. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Adobe scanner. The Adobe scanner is opened. See, and now you have to take the picture like this. Okay, you have to take the picture, you have to hold the phone like this, and you have to take the picture of the copy. Okay, the picture is taken. And then now next you have to press this continue button, and then again take the picture of second page, then take the picture is taken, and then again press continue, and then move to the third page, and then take the picture of the third page also and press continue. Now see, you can see here at the bottom on the right side the 3 pages are collected. See, 3 is written. So you have to make a click on this. You can see the 3 pages that you have scanned through the scanner. Now what you have to do, you have to edit the file name. How you can edit? You can see here it is written scan October 2 2020. Here you can edit the file name. So I am deleting the file name, and you have to write your name, class, section and roll number over here. So how you will write? Suppose I am writing my name. Okay, SUBHABRATA full name. Then after that you have to write, you have to mention your class, suppose class 3, then again give space, then section, you have to mention your section, suppose C, section C, and then at last you have to mention your roll number, suppose 24 is your roll number. Okay, so like this you can mention the details while you save the document as the name of the document. Okay, now after that you can see here at the top on the right side the save PDF option is given. Save PDF, you have to make a click over here on the save PDF option. See, the PDF is saving. After saving, you can see here the uploading to document cloud. Okay, the PDF has been uploaded to the document cloud. Okay, it will take some time. After it has been uploaded to the document cloud, you can see here a share option is given. Okay, you can see here a share option is given. What you have to do, don't share the link, don't click on this share link option. Okay, if you want to share a copy, you have to click on this share a copy option. At the last, the option is given share a copy. You have to make a click on this share a copy, and you can see all the options through which you can send are given over here. See, first the WhatsApp is given. WhatsApp, if you want to send through WhatsApp, you can select the name of your teacher. If you can select the name, you can select the WhatsApp of your teacher, and you can send to your particular class teacher. Okay, and else you can share a copy to Gmail. Through Gmail also you can send. If you click on this Gmail option, you see to, here in the to option you have to write the email ID of your class teacher. Suppose I am writing. Okay, and now one blue button is given over here, blue arrow is given over here at the top. You have to make a click over here, and your document has been sent to your class teacher, like this. Okay, so like this you can send your document in PDF form either through WhatsApp or through email to your respective class teachers. So children, it was up to this. Give your exams confidently, stay safe and stay well. Thank you very much.